In this example, we are asked to complete the table using this graph. So as we know, this line that has been graphed is a function, and each function or each point across that function can be put into a coordinate point using x coordinates and y coordinates, where x shows our horizontal movement and y shows our vertical movement away from the origin. So in this table, I'm asked to basically find that coordinate point where the y-coordinate is 5. So I'm going to start at my origin and move down, or up, I'm sorry, to where the y-coordinate would be 5. So here's 3, 4, and 5. So anywhere along this line, right here where my marker is going to be 5. So I want to move to where our line crosses the 5. Now, I'm looking for that horizontal movement, remember, the x-coordinate, and I can see that it's moved into the left direction, which means it's going to be a negative. So I have negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to fill this in with a negative 8 because this point would be negative 8, positive 5. The next point gives us a negative 9 as our x-coordinate, and we're asked to find the y-coordinate. So now I'm going to move along. I'm going to start at the origin, and I'm going to move to where x would be negative 9. Remember that the x-coordinate is always our horizontal movement, so that's the side to side. And I'm going to move to the left because it's negative 9 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So anywhere up and down this line right here would give us an x-coordinate of negative 9. So I need to find where my graphed line, my function, crosses this particular location. And that's going to be right up here. So that point would be negative 9, and then we just need to count how many spaces up from the axis. So positive, because we're moving up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it'd be 9, 7, so I can fill in a 7 in my table. Finally, we have this last space here where they do give us the y-coordinate, so we need to find the x-coordinate. And y is going to be a positive 9. So I'm going to start at my origin again, and I'm going to move up 9 spaces because it's positive, and remember y is always our vertical movement from the origin. So I'm going to move up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So anywhere along this line right here is what we're looking for. So I'm going to move all the way over to where my function crosses. And so that is in the left direction from our axis, so it's going to be negative. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that'd be a negative 10. And of course, we're up 9. So I'm going to fill in a negative 10 in my table. And now my table is complete.